I don't like that. I'm sorry. It's been a while. I've been really fucking busy. Okay. I found out a way to turn my life around for the better. It worked very well. Not just like physically, but like mentally too. A lot of my friends have been trying to do like a new year, new me. How did I get myself? Okay, we're good. A lot of my friends have asked me what I did to get to this point. And honestly, like, it was kind of a lot, but like, not really. Honestly, like, the key is consistency. I thought I would show you what I do to be that girl. I'm gonna walk you through my day. Basically, this is 2024, bitch. It's time to get your shit together. So, first of all, lesson number 1. You have got to put yourself first. Nobody actually wants to do this, but when I tell you, this is the secret that helped me, like the ultimate secret. Gotta get serious for this one. The ultimate secret, I deleted TikTok and Instagram. Big deal. Dude, that really helped. And let me just tell you why. I'm not about to act like I am not insecure, and that's okay. We all are. It's normal. I would go on TikTok and Instagram, be like scrolling through reels or like TikToks for so long. I would see these like perfect body skinny girls. It would make me feel horrible about myself. Yeah, it's embarrassing. Yeah, it's like, what the fuck, Riley? I don't really give a fuck, I'm being honest with you. I deleted them. And yes, my phone got a lot more boring, but it doesn't really matter because I got off of it for a while too. Like, I go on my phone that often. That helped me focus more on like what I needed to do to better my life. It made me realize that not everybody looks like them. That is what helped me the most. So step 1, delete your socials. Step 2, find a workout that you like. Okay, I'm really pale. I'm like matching the color of my shirt. Anyway, find a workout that you like and stick with it. And I'm not saying to get addicted to it. I'm not saying that you need to be working out 24/7. That is not what I'm saying, okay? Physical activity is 1, like, basically necessary for life. And 2, it's like a great outlet. Like, if I'm feeling stressed or whatever, or if I'm fucking pissed off, like, that be happening sometimes, I will go to the gym and like run it out or lift it out, you know? Ultimately, I ended up hitting my goal that I wanted to all along, which is get fucking jacked. But I didn't really like the way I looked. I already have genetic man shoulders, so that was not helpful. But on top of that, I focused so much on my upper body than anything else, which is why I think I'm like super unproportional, but that's just me. Switching it up every once in a while is a good idea, even if it's for a while. If it's something that you really, really, really want, do it. Like, I feel like Nike, like, just do it. And I know it's, like I keep saying, easier said than done. Like, go fucking get it. Like, nobody is stopping you. That's my little spiel. Now I'm actually gonna show you what I do now, which is basically the same. One of the other things that I do, which I have not done yet because I want y'all to do it with me, stretch. Ignore the mess right here, I'm sorry. If you know me, like know me, like, I was and still am the least flexible person you're probably encountered in your entire life, and you didn't even know. But I'm here to tell you that it's me. And am I proud of it? No, but I'm owning it. I made it a thing this semester to stretch every day to try to increase my flexibility. I'm gonna turn the lights off. And I don't really think I need to like walk y'all through everything that I do. Anyway. Okay. Now, in cheer and even gymnastics, you have to do a bridge, okay? Which is basically like, you know, your body looks like this, like a bridge. I have no wrist mobility at all. I'm gonna try to do it. I'm scared. I don't know if I'm ready for this. Oh. I did it. Ooh. Sorry. Now, usually I would read a little. Sometimes I meditate. Depends on what kind of mood I'm in that day. I'm basically already done. I need to put my shoes on. Today is Wednesday, and it is the longest day of my week by far. I have a class, but it's a lab, so it's 2 hours long. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the gym. I think today's leg day. Let's go downstairs. Okay, let's go. Snap, which I can't really snap, but when I snap, I'm gonna be there, because I know y'all missed the 2012 transitions, okay? So we're gonna just... Here I am. I'm like low-key late, so I gotta walk into class now, but I'll see you after this class. Ew. It's time to do 3 things. 1, journal. 2, look at my planner. If you don't have a planner, what are you doing? It helps a lot. I write down everything for my subjects, like when it's due, and I give each subject a different color. 3, do any assignments that I need to do. So I gotta go do a couple things. Thank you so much for watching. I will try to keep up vlogging. That was one of my things that I wanted to do in 2024. So next week will be more interesting, I swear. I will make it my mission to make it more interesting. So, peace.